Today we want to present you our new product, acoustic panels. They were designed to create acoustic comfort in any area of your house. We install them in two different layers. And the second layer you can rotate as you wish. Now you see our recommended placing of these panels, but you can change it as you wish. For creating our acoustic panels, we use our handmade felt, like in our woolen stones. We can create our panels plain without any patterns, or we can recreate some patterns from our woolen collection. You also can offer these panels made of specially selected fabric, any color you wish.